You think I fear you?
I don't want to make you fear me. I want to make you fear the next 10 minutes when me and you go date together.
Come to hell!
You see, it gets something will happen 2 days ago when I want to go buy something. I go market to go buy tripod. And the tripod where they sell $20. You know how much they come to sell them? The tripod is now worth $70 freaking.
How that one carry concern me?
Now because of people like you. People like you, they say you now go the price nonsense pricing when clients come with you now. Before, I've been wanting to make we spend like 10 minutes together. But I can see, say you know they like conversation. You know they like talk. Look at me. Look at me! I don't think you like to chat. I think you are a man who likes walkings. In your next life, when you come this world again, you go learn say you no suppose dey collect $20 for job wey worth $5,000.
Breaking news. Lagos is on high alert tonight as a serial killer targeting the creative industry has surfaced. The suspect claims to represent Ukombozi, Swahili for the redemption. Their chilling mission to kidnap and execute incompetent creatives who are under charge for their work. In a manifesto found earlier today, the killer claims they are cleansing the market and restoring value to the craft by eliminating those who drive prices down. Police are warning all freelancers to avoid suspicious meetings and to report any threats mentioning redemption. To the killer, a low invoice is now a death warrant. Stay safe and stay vigilant. Back to the studio.